So here I have the notebooks that I have set up through Evernote. As you can see, it's a couple different collections of notes relating to my hobbies with guitar, other classes with anthropology, and most importantly, early American government for the theme. If we go through to that one, I have several different notes in there pertaining to ideas such as the philosophies of the Founding Fathers, what actually went into drafting the government, the Continental Congress, and the creation of the courts. I have some brief notes about, for instance, here, who the significant philosophical, authors and ethical writers of the day were that influenced the Founding Fathers, as well as relevant photographs of the Magna Carta here to use in teaching a lesson. In drafting the government, you have a similar idea with the Articles of Confederation and each of the revisions of American policy that we saw in the 17th century. With creation of the courts, I have linked a website that basically walks through the history of the court in John Jay setting it up. John Jay is pictured here, and all three of these photographs are public domain as they are owned by the United States government. So this is really helpful in basically just keeping straight all of the things you would need to remember for writing a paper, or if you don't have an annotated bibliography but you need to remember what important information is in a website, you can bullet point those ideas as I've done here. So, general summary of a website, which I have linked through here. You add your link, you add the title for it, and it pops up there. You can also add tags as to what the main ideas of said link are about, and then go through and highlight all of the relevant information, all to make it easier when you go back through and look over it later on. Thank you.